Welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be talking about the best strategies for having a growth mindset. So if you're interested in that, definitely stick around. Now, it's really important that we understand what mindset is if we're ever gonna understand how to grow that. And any strategies or all these hocus pocus won't really mean anything until we actually figure out what mindset means. I want you to imagine your mindset right now. What is your mindset towards your health? What is your mindset towards the foods that you eat? What is the mindset between the things that you do during the day? How are you moving around? What is that mindset like? What is your identity of that person? Shaquille right now is a person that likes to wake up really early in the morning, does its rise ritual, drink his beverage, work for a few hours, and then go ahead and work out at the gym for a few hours, and then eventually spend some time together with other individuals for a few hours during the night, and then eventually recycle this over and over. So he breaks his day down into 3 days, to be honest. Ultimate productivity in the morning, and then work on the body during the evening, and then at the end of the day have those social connections that you need with the people around you that you love and respect and admire. That's my identity at the moment, and so you will need to figure out what your identity is, and after that then we can have strategies for having a growth mindset. And in general, growing your mindset, it gets more and more difficult as you age because you become very hard and solidified in the way you think about things, because you've been taught one way and you've been doing it one way for a long time. Whether you've been successful or not, you keep doing it. Sometimes you catch yourself doing things or activities or behaviors or habits that you're just like, wait, why am I doing this? But then you keep doing it because it just became a routine process within your body. So we need to figure out what that is. And the strategies, all these different types of strategies that I can technically be giving you won't really mean anything until you do your own self-analysis, your own shadow work to figure out who the hell you are. Once you do, then you're gonna start waking up and realizing, okay, has my prior identity been serving me? If it has not been serving me, then why am I pursuing this? And that's when that catalyst starts, right? That's when that fire ignites and you're able to be like, okay, things need to change. If they don't change, it's gonna be more painful in the future than me changing it right now and the pain that I'll experience at the moment. Everything in life is very similar to that. So I really hope that you can understand that and embody it when you're going about changing your mindset to be the person that can leverage the tools and techniques offered by Alpha and in general your life to optimize your health to your genetic potential. Okay, cool. With that being said, guys, hopefully you found value in that video. If you did, make sure you give me a like, letting me know you liked the video. If you did not like the video, definitely give me a dislike, and at the same time, write in the comments why you disliked it, because I'm really curious and I want to improve these videos as I keep doing them more and more. Other than that, definitely subscribe to the channel. It'll let me know that you're interested in the type of content that I'm creating. And if you are that type that's very similar to me, you have very favorite content creators, and you want to know when they publish their new videos, go ahead and hit that notification bell and it'll alert you every time a new video gets uploaded. I'm going to try to create a normal frequency with my assistant, but for now it'll be the way it is, but hopefully it's more consistent when you see it in the future. With that, I appreciate each and every one of you. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. This is a Friday today, so happy Friday. Have a good one. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.